Hey everyone, welcome back. This video, I'm going to be sending a pipe from this cold air return down behind this wall. And I'm going to have a vent here to suck the cold air up, because every cold air return in this basement is on the ceiling, and that's stupid because hot air rises. Okay, so I've already cut some 2x4s to frame in my opening. And then my duct will sit on top of these. That's a little awkward. It's a little loose. Let's try the other one. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Just like that. Now my duct is going to sit right on the top there. I might just stick it right against that one. Yeah, okay. That'll be good. I'm just going to trace this. And just stick that in there. Beautiful. Just like that. There's my duct. So before I go and stick this in the wall, I'm going to put my elbow onto it first, because I won't be able to get access to it to screw it on after. There we are. Oops. What happened is I bent that thing in. So we'll try a different spot. Back here. There. Perfect. Now, I'm going to wrap it with aluminum tape. I'm just going to make sure this is flush with my drywall. And now back on the inside. This is probably overkill, but I wanted a top board too. There. Now our vent sits right in there. Awesome. So now the other end of my pipe is going to run up to here, and there's a panel already here. I'll take that off, and that'll probably be the best place to mount this piping. I'll yank that panel off. I've kind of given myself some marks where the outsides of the hole is. Now this thing isn't big enough, but I can cheat. That's close enough. So now I know where I can get away with putting this. Kind of out here. That. There. Now, there's what I need to cut out. Right there. All right, so I have my hole so I can start my cut, but I'm gonna wear gloves when I do this because it's probably gonna cut me. There we go. Then all you do is bend all these tabs over. Ooh, that didn't bend very nice. Yeah. There we go. Now I just need to tape it. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get one in there. Maybe I'll put it on this side. There we go. Awesome. Now for this, I need another 90. I believe like that. Nope, it's just going to point straight down. Now I just need to measure my pipe. Okay. There we are. Cool. Now, stick this end into there. I'll do it the other way. Cool. There. And there it is. We have a new cold air return. And I'll get that vent mounted up. Of course, this is just temporary because I have to paint the wall still. But we'll get some screws in there just to hold it for now. There we go. There. Perfect. Now that should make the basement a lot warmer, now that it's not sucking the warm air out of the ceiling. So I think I'm done with this video. See you in the next one.